As you can see, my natural hair is that bulky and I love it. So this is not actually my natural hair, but this is a hair extension, and today I'm going to show you how you can get this done within some few hours, and you're gonna rock it as good as I feel. Without wasting my time, let's get right into the video. Let me show you what I added to making this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try my hands on this wig cap. I've been actually making wig cap all the time. Anytime I want to wear a wig, I create it myself. I sew it myself. So today I'm going to show you how I will get my Filipino hair on this. So you guys should stand by and watch the process and how I get this on. I want to get that Afro look, Afro style hair. It is actually two colors. It is black and wine. The beneath it there's a black, and then the tip of the hair is wine. It is curly. So I'm going to show you how to get your hair done. Okay, these are some of the tools I'm going to use: my scissors, my C-pin, you can use a straight pin as well, my marker, my thread. This is very thick, and my hair nets. You shouldn't forget about this. I use this perforated ones, and I also have my Filipino hair. It is very soft, super soft and good, comfortable to use on your neck and your body. This is also my head cap, and finally my T-pin. I'm gonna fix it on it like this, and then drop the back of it way down, the T-pin. Then I use it to secure the length of it. Okay, yeah, the front is okay. So I'll go ahead and then this is my thread. I'll just get it around. Yeah, I'll just get it into the hole and then start sewing. This thread is actually very thick, so I just want the two-sided. Then I cut the excess. Then the first thing I do is to get the hair on top of my net, and then make sure that I seal it well with the T-pin. I get it close to the net, the hair net. Then I secure my edges very well before I sew. Sewing with your hands is not difficult. For first timers, you only need to exercise a little bit of patience. You only have to insert the needle onto the hair, straight into the hair net, and then you bring it out. When it creates something like a C, you pass the needle back again into the C you've created, and then bring it out so that it will be a little bit tight for your hair to stay glued to the net. Talking about the C, let me explain further. After you insert your needle into the hair and bring it out from the hair net, you don't completely seal it with the thread, but you leave a little bit space. Then you pass the needle you've brought out of the hair net into the thread you created and didn't finish in sealing. Then you can pull the thread out again and then get it complete. So as I sew, you get to see what I'm trying to refer to. Okay, you only need to exercise patience, and then that is all you will experience during this process. I will leave you with these instrumentals to explore. Just watch as I sew and then get more skills in doing your own. I hope you enjoy this, so let's get going.
While the beer was a lover, trust me, ain't no amateurs now. We got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know there's something really special made me think about you, about you, about you.
I don't like cutting my hair into pieces, so anytime I finish with one side, I just turn it onto the other side and then sew it across. So it will be like a zigzag thing and it will be very strong. I don't like to cut it into pieces, but I find my own way of curling it around and making it beautiful. Anytime you get to a halt or a pause at a place that you need to continue, you just make sure you tighten that edge very well and then you go.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you, about you, 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 about you, you, you.
Now with the closure, make sure you mark where you're going to put your closure before you can put the closure actually on it. As I'm doing, you measure the closure, the length of it, and then you secure it with your T-pin.
Feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross, drinking Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor, while the beer was a lover. Trust me, ain't no amateurs now. We got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now.
Now start sewing. What I do here is I sew right into the hair, down onto the hair net, and then bring it out, as you can see. So the net, the cream net there is not actually touching that much. I'm making sure that I'm sewing as close as I can to the hair closure I'm doing, so that after, if I'm cutting the excess nets that came with the closure, I'll be able to do it as well. Little by little, we come to the end of sewing the closure and we secure the edges very well, because at the end of the day, if you cut what is beneath it, the only thing that will be left is the main closure attached to your hairnet. So you have to seal it very well.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you. Arthur Unit, Marshall Summit, Lady Titty, hella tipsy, feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross, drinking Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo, take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor, while the beer was a lover. Trust me, ain't no amateurs now. We got this, so rest assured.
After you finish sewing your closure, get the scissors and cut only the hair net you put beneath the closure 1 inch or a little bit closer, so that you don't cut through what you've sewn. Cut around it till you get the hair net beneath the closure off.
I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you.
So now we work on the closure itself. This is the excess closure I was telling you about. Don't cut so close to the hair or where you've sewn, but cut so that we cannot see this. Don't make it visible for people to see the excess of the closure when you walk in town. So I finally have my Afro hair done, and this look beautiful, very beautiful. If I don't tell you this is not actually natural, you won't believe it. You won't believe it. So people out there who admire the way the natural hair feels but do not have it, you can actually buy this from the market and do it yourself. So yes, This is how you can also create your own. Thank you so much for coming by. Bye.